Hey guys, Sydney here at Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. Today we have a 2023 S580 sedan. This is actually one of my favorite cars that we sell here. I just absolutely love it. Those wheels are super nice on it with the upgraded brakes. And that's just such a nice car. I really love this car. It's one of my favorite ones that we sell here. Very big, tons of space to offer. Just show you the back right here. It's got tons of trunk room. It really just keeps going. And then when I pull this out right here, this is just a cool little compartment that you can put up here. If you got a laptop or something, or just anything small you want to put up here and you don't want it sliding around the whole entire vehicle, it's a great little place for it. Plus it's pretty hidden. There we go. Just shut that. Now to open the doors, basically the same thing. When you have your key on you, they actually open by yourself, but the key is in the car already, so to open it, you just swipe your hand right here and they come right out. All right, now these seats are super cool back here. They recline, which is super nice. We got a shade. It's not pulled up, but when the shade goes up, it can actually cover some sun exposure, and the ones in the back seat are actually up right here, and to put them down, they're pretty easy. And we got a few different compartments right here, and a couple different ports on the bottom. And the back seats are actually heated and ventilated as well. Very comfortable for long trips. And to show you the front of the car, same thing, same seat settings as the back. I'll show you some other cool things that this has. This does have a full panoramic roof. This opens as well, but it's covered right now. Let me just start it. So we got the lighting that goes throughout it right there. And just wait a minute for it to fully load. I just want to show you this really cool feature in the comfort settings. So it's got many different massage options. When you go under seat, you can adjust the seat kinetics to however you want. Plus there is also a duration period. Ambient lighting, you can change the color in here to whatever you want. Same thing goes throughout the whole vehicle. And then there's this really cool feature called Energizing Comfort that Mercedes does. So you basically select one. And it's this really nice relaxing setting. Like, it'll almost make like, ocean noises, and it ventilates the seats, and the lights change color. It'll also make some noises and stuff too. And this is just really cool. If you're busy at work or something, you go on your break and you just want to relax for a minute. These are some really great features that a lot of people actually really love and enjoy. And there's just tons of different ones too. Like there's one called Summer Rain. And it kind of sounds like a thunderstorm a little bit, which is really cool. So those are just, a few things that Mercedes does. Just a cool couple Mercedes features. I guess that's the luxury that they put into it. Very cool though. I've never seen it in any other car. And this just shows vehicle information, and that will show up once you turn on the car. So that's just a little bit. And then over here, you can, change how you want this display to look. A few different features, your driver's assistance, different displays. It's pretty cool. There's a few different things that Mercedes does that, honestly, I really like it a lot. I just love this car. I could actually sit in this car for hours and just play with some of the features that are in it and not get bored of it. So just to get out of the car, I'm just gonna turn this off. And yeah, that's just, you know, a little bit of this S580 that we have available. This is, like I said, one of my favorite cars here, and it just has tons of features to offer. It is the most comfortable car that I have ever been in. It's an awesome luxury car. If it's, you know, something that you're looking for in the market as a luxury car, I would definitely go for this. So come and check it out.